Hello, future volcanologists and curious minds. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and awe-inspiring forces on our planet, volcanoes. You've probably seen dramatic movie scenes where a volcano erupts without any warning, causing chaos. But is that how it really happens? The exciting answer is, most of the time, no. Volcanoes are incredible storytellers, and if we learn their language, they often give us clues, days, weeks, or even months, before a major eruption. So, how do we listen to a volcano? Scientists, or volcanologists, are like volcano detectives. They use an amazing array of tools to monitor a volcano's every rumble and sigh. One of the most important clues is something called seismic activity. Think of it as the Earth's heartbeat. Before an eruption, magma, that's molten rock, is on the move deep underground. As it pushes its way upward, it breaks rock and creates vibrations. Scientists use instruments called seismometers to detect these tiny earthquakes known as volcanic tremors. When these tremors become more frequent, stronger, or closer to the surface, it's a huge red flag that the volcano is waking up. It's like hearing footsteps getting louder and louder behind a door. You know someone is about to come through. Another fascinating clue is ground deformation. Imagine you have a balloon hidden under a rug, and you start inflating it. What happens? The rug starts to bulge upwards, right? The same thing happens with a volcano. As magma accumulates in a chamber beneath the surface, it pushes the ground above it outwards and upwards. This swelling can be very subtle, sometimes just a few centimeters over a vast area, completely invisible to the naked eye. But we have incredible technology like GPS and satellite radar, InSAR, that can measure these minute changes with pinpoint accuracy. When scientists see the ground around a volcano starting to swell like a loaf of bread rising, they know the pressure is building. Then there's the gas. Magma is full of dissolved gases like carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, kind of like a fizzy drink under pressure. As magma gets closer to the surface, the pressure drops, and these gases start to escape through cracks and vents called fumaroles. Volcanologists use special sensors both on the ground and mounted on drones or helicopters to sniff the air around a volcano. A sudden increase in the amount of sulfur dioxide is a particularly strong indicator that fresh magma is near the surface, and an eruption could be on its way. It's the volcano's way of exhaling before it roars. By putting all these pieces of the puzzle together, the ground shaking, the surface swelling, and the gases being released, scientists can build a remarkably clear picture of what's happening inside the volcano. This continuous monitoring allows them to issue timely warnings to communities living nearby, giving people precious time to evacuate and prepare. It is a testament to how science and technology can help us coexist with the powerful forces of nature. So while volcanoes are undeniably mighty, they aren't always the unpredictable monsters of Hollywood. They are complex, dynamic systems that give us warnings if we're paying attention. Thank you so much for joining me on this geological journey today. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next adventure into the world of science. Stay curious.